Applying to jobs but hearing nothing back? You're not alone. Most resumes never even reach a real person. They get filtered out by software called ATS. Today, I'll show you how to build a resume that actually gets seen and gets you hired. Starting with two crucial steps: ATS optimization and tailoring your resume to each job. So, what's ATS? It stands for Applicant Tracking System, software that scans resumes looking for keywords to decide who moves forward. If your resume isn't ATS friendly, it gets rejected instantly, even if you're a great candidate. Here's how to make your resume ATS compatible. ATS systems can't read tables or decorative layouts, so avoid visuals and use clean structure. Creative headings like "What I've done" can confuse ATS. Keep them standard. This is the biggest ATS hack. Copy 3 to 5 exact keywords from the job posting into your resume. For example, if the job says proficient in Power BI, don't write business analytics tools. Match the words exactly. Next, tailoring. One generic resume sent to 100 jobs won't work. A tailored resume sent to 10 targeted applications gets far better results. Here's how to tailor efficiently. Customize your summary section, move the most relevant skills to the top, and remove unrelated ones. Turn tasks into achievements using numbers. You don't need more experience. You need better presentation. Make your resume ATS friendly. Tailor it for every role, use the right keywords, and watch your interview calls increase. To help you get started, I've built a free downloadable ATS resume checklist plus template, link in the description. And comment below what role you're applying for. I'll share tips specific to your field. Hit like and subscribe for more job-winning strategies.